Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this VIOFO Dashcam. Now, I recently just got this a couple months back, and I must say that it's actually really neat. So a couple of things that I like about it is that first, it's able to auto turn on and off. So it automatically starts recording when you turn the car on, and then it automatically stops, of course, when you turn the car off. In addition to that, it doesn't take up a lot of room. So while I'm driving, it doesn't really distract me while I'm driving. It uses an adhesive sticker to actually stick on. Now, as far as the actual footage goes, the footage is high quality, it's clear, it also tells you how fast you're going and such. And when you actually want to go ahead and transfer the footage, all you have to do is download the VIOFO Dashcam app, connect to the Wi-Fi. All you do is press the Wi-Fi button and then click on the Wi-Fi network. And then once you're connected via the app, you could download your footage straight onto your phone. It's very, very easy. And I also like how the footage is organized by date so that you can easily go back to a certain date if you need to check the footage. The dashcam itself is able to record, I think, up to 16 hours of footage before it starts to override itself. But even so, if you're looking for a nice, decent dashcam, definitely check this one out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.